Hi, this is Nick, and this is to demonstrate the effectiveness of the ABIR X6 on a carpet surface. Alright, so as you can see, there's nothing in the bin. Alright, let's close it up. Alright, we're going to insert it at the bottom here, and we're going to let it run and see exactly how much dirt it picks up. Now, just to show you, this floor is actually not very dirty at all. I think it's been well vacuumed. So the question is there any more to pick up? Alright, so I've put it back on the charge and we're going to actually start it.
Start cleaning.
I've got it on normal speed from a fan and vacuum perspective, so it's not on strong suction. I'm just going to let it go. Alright, I'm going to stop it now and check how much it's actually vacuumed.
Cleaning suspended.
At the top of the filter. See here. So in total, that's what it's cleaned.